Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix broken links on Shopify's site. So, broken links can harm your Shopify's store SEO and user experience. Here's how you can fix it. The first way is identifying broken links. Use tools like Google Search Console or Ahrefs to find broken links. You can also check Shopify's 404 error reports in online store navigation. Then you can click on view URL redirects and identify the broken link. Now you can set up URL redirects. Here you'll have to basically navigate to online store, navigate to navigation, choose URL redirects and click on create URL redirect. Now enter the broken link and redirect it to a working page. So you'll have to enter the broken link in this redirect from section and you can redirect it to a working page here. After doing this, click on save redirect and that will instantly fix your problem. Now, you can also fix internal links manually. So if a broken link is within a product description or blog, you can edit it directly in products or blog posts section. Ensure that links point to the correct pages and update outdated URLs. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is restoring missing pages. So if you mistakenly deleted a product or page, consider recreating it with a similar URL. Update all references to the new page. Now, fifth way to fix this problem is testing links after fixing. After updating links, you can refresh your site and use link checker tool to confirm fixes. Check different devices and browsers for consistency. So following these steps will keep your Shopify store running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.